LF680 Drone Operation Guide. Open the packaging box and remove the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light stays on during charging. Green light stays on when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Connect to power source. Indicator light stays on during charging. Pre-flight preparation. Install the remote control joysticks. Insert the memory card. Remove the protective film. Unfold the drone arms. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold to turn on the drone power. Then turn on the remote control switch. The remote control will automatically pair with the drone. One button gyro calibration. Push left stick up to unlock drone. Push again to take off. One button takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Left side flat. Right side flat. Motorized camera adjustment. Speed switch. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Press the roll button and move the right stick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Short press to enter fine-tuning mode. If the drone drifts left, adjust right. If it drifts forward, adjust backward. Short press to exit fine-tuning mode. Short press to enable obstacle avoidance. The drone will automatically stop upon encountering obstacles. Long press to enable headless mode. The drone will treat the controller's direction as backward. Long press again to disable headless mode. One-touch landing. Short press the photo button to take a picture. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save the recording. Press the return button and select the file system to view saved photos and videos. Press the return button to go back to the video transmission screen. Replacing propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller screws and remove the propellers. Note the A-B markings. Install the corresponding propellers. Connect to the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Turn on the drone's power. After download completes, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the app. The transmission screen will appear.